हेलो एंड नमस्ते एवरीबॉडी। मैं हूँ खुशबू एंड वेलकम टू योगा सॉल्यूशन। ये वीडियो है फोकस के बारे में। अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं या यू आर अ वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल और इफ़ यू आर अ क्रिएटिव पर्सन, thoughts always come to our mind and sometimes we have so many thoughts in our minds that we are not able to focus in our work, we are not able to focus in our studies. I am going to teach you one pranayam, one practice which can really help you to focus on anything that is important to you. Declutter your mind, settle all the unnecessary thoughts from your mind, and help you to achieve your goals better. So, let's start. For this, you can sit on the floor in cross-legged position, or if you cannot sit on the floor, sit on a chair, sofa, or even your bed. Just make sure that your spine is straight. Now we will close our ears with our index finger and we will also cover our eyes. We will close our eyes. Now we'll take a deep breath in through our nose, and while exhaling we will create buzzing sound from the throat. Do it with me. Take a deep breath in. When you exhale completely, relax yourself and open up your eyes. So it is recommended that you can do up to 5, 10 or 20 repetitions of Bhramari Pranayam. Quantity is not that important, quality is important. You need to create the vibration from your throat and you should feel the vibration in your throat. Some people make this humming sound with their lips and with their tongue. Please do not do that, it will not help you. So when you create sound with your throat, you will feel vibration in your chest and also in your mind. So your ears and your eyes are closed. The entire vibration is happening in the chest area and the area above that. You will feel entire portion of your chest till your head vibrating if you do it for 5 minutes or if you do 10-20 repetitions of this. Also, take long and deep breath first and keep the humming sound as long as possible. If you are not able to hum for a longer time, start with normal breathing first. Sit for a few minutes, 2-3 minutes at least, and do some deep breathing. Make sure that both your nostrils are open. You can do alternate nostril breathing also, and after that do this pranayam. You can do it anytime. You can do it early in the morning, you can do it during the day, or you can do it before sleep also. It is a very good pranayam for sleep as well. So Bhramari pranayam work kaise karta hai, I'll explain you. We have our throat chakra here, जिसको हम विशुद्धि चक्र भी बोलते हैं. जब हम अपने थ्रोट में वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट करते हैं, हमारा विशुद्धि चक्र बैलेंस होता है, हमारा विशुद्धि चक्र हील होता है. और अगर किसी भी पर्सन को थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम है, हाइपर थायराइड और हाइपोथायराइड, उनके लिए तो ये प्राणायाम रामबाण का काम करेगा. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आप नहीं दोबारा फोकस कर पा रहे हो अपनी ब्रीदिंग पे, या आपको थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, या आपको ये इफेक्टिव नहीं लग रहा, सो ट्राई विद योर ईयर्स ओपन फर्स्ट. आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू इट एज वेल. You keep your right hand on the pit of your throat like this. Men, women, anybody can do this, even kids can do this. Keep your right hand on the pit of your throat. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and when you exhale, create buzzing sound and feel the vibration on your fingers like this. If you can feel the vibration on your fingers, then you are doing it correctly. It's a thumbs up for you. Also, you can do one more thing. When you exhale out, when you create the buzzing sound, gently tap on your throat. You will see a different kind of string kind of vibration on your throat, which will again make you feel very relaxed, very calm, and help you with your thyroid issues. If you want to be more creative, if you want to be more expressive, if you are into artistic field, then it is very important for you So that your Vishuddhi chakra has to be open, it has to be balanced, it should not be over active, it should not be less active. Some people who have overactive Vishuddhi chakra, they are very talkative, they cannot keep secrets, they let everything out, and थोड़े से मुंहफट भी होते हैं जिसकी वजह से कभी कभार सामने वाले को हर्ट भी हो जाता है. So it is very important that we maintain the balance. Bhramari pranayam will help you to maintain that balance. Also, क्योंकि हमने internally vibrations create किए हैं, it is a very good pranayam for your mind as well. It will relax all the negative thoughts, all the random thoughts that have taken space in your head. It will clear your head, make your mind and body prepare it for the sleep. So you will have a very sound sleep after this. So do try this pranayam out and share your experience with us. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you have any questions, do write them down in the comment section. We'll try to help you out. Thank you.